Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and I thought I would do something a little bit different today. I came across a Reddit thread, I'll share it in the description, by the user whose name is Pigeon Toes McGee. And it's called, is this a crazy idea or not? So obviously I had to click the link. And Pigeon Toes McGee's dad wants to learn to play the song Atlantic City by the band. And Pigeon Toes McGee is saying, hey, is it crazy because he wants me to play accordion on the track? Pigeon Toes McGee, I hope your dad doesn't see this video. But I thought, let me take 10 minutes to outline what it's like to try and learn a specific piece. And I'll kind of cover the prerequisites to doing that in a somewhat quick way. Obviously, there are other people commenting on the thread with fantastic advice. This is more of a here's what's required to be able to play along to that track. I had a listen to the track. I love the band. I am not familiar with the song Atlantic City. I'm sorry. So what I'll do is, again, this is full transparency. I'm going to figure out the song. And then I'll show you what my recommendation would be on how you can go about learning it. Good, let's do it. So I'm going to have a listen, figure out the key. I'll do that quite quickly. Remember that I've been playing accordion for a long time, and then I'll give you suggestions. Fast forward a bit. Pa, that sounds like it's a first. Then one, pa, pa, that sounds the same. Maybe it's an A major. I don't expect you to be able to do this yet, but... Pa, that's our chord. A major will be a chord that you'll need to know. Something changes there a little bit too, but let's keep going. Blew up his house too. Down on the board. Whoa, they're ready for a fight. So a few things are happening there. The song is an A major. F sharp minor, A major, E or E7, E, A major. That's what I'm hearing, and I think it's correct. So again, we have the chords A, F sharp minor, A, E. If our A is our one chord, there's a very popular song template that I'm applying here. It's an A major, that's our one. It's a walk down of 3. We see it all the time. We see it in Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. I heard there was a secret chord. A major to F sharp minor. We see it here in the band too. Ba, 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 and then back to A major. And then the most popular chord change in music, from the A to the E to the A. From the 1 to the 5 to the 1. What you need to know as a new musician is this is a popular chord change. Whether you're going to just learn this song or you're going to go on to learn other songs, it's a really important skill to be able to change between these chords. Someone else made a comment in the Reddit thread. Know which key your dad wants to play the song in. Is he going to sing in this key? Ba 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 ba. If so, this is the key that I would recommend that you learn. If he's playing in the same key as the song, in A major, hey dad, what key do you play Atlantic City in? A major, son. Great. If he says, oh, I played in C major, great. So you'll need to learn these chord changes in C major. Let me know and I'll let you know what the chords are. Let's keep going to see where the accordion part comes in. Gonna see what them racket boys can do. Oh, that changed too. Can do. He just stays on the A. Now there's trouble it's not a, it's a D major, it's not an E. I was mistaken. It's an F sharp minor, A to D.
Now this trouble busting in from outer space, and the DA can't get no relief.
It's D.
Gonna be a rumble when it comes to me.
Those are the chords. There are 3 chords in the song. Instead of the A, E, A, it's actually an A, D, A. It's the second most popular chord change, from the 1 to the 4 to the 1. So, the first thing you can do, and again, I'll give you specific tips as the video continues, is to play along to the track, especially if it's in this key. You're going to play along just like I am. A major, F sharp minor. Back and forth. A major, and then A major to D, to A major, F minor, F sharp minor, da 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 da, ba da 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 da, da 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 da, and play along with the track.
And the gambling commissioner hanging on by the scruff of his teeth. Everything dies, baby, that's a fact. But maybe everything will die someday. He comes back. Put your makeup on, fix your hair up pretty, and leave me tonight in Atlantic City.
So there's the accordion part. So some cool things, some things to know about the song. We'll digest the accordion solo soon. But let's suppose that you have 4 weeks to learn the song. Let's give ourselves 4 weeks. It's intense. It's an intense thing to do, given the task of playing along to the band's Atlantic City in 4 weeks. But here's how I would approach it. Understand, ask your bandmate, ask your dad in what key is he playing it. If he says, I'm playing it the same as the song, A major, here's your task. You need to learn how to play an A major. I have a lesson about building major and minor chords, but in general, this is your A major, A, C sharp, E. You need to switch between the chords of the song. We're not going with sheet music. The sheet music that you need are A major, F sharp minor, and D major. Those 3 chords. You need to learn how to switch between those chords. In tempo, smoothly. Here's what that looks like. So F sharp minor is A, C sharp, and F sharp. I'd love for you to learn the different voicings in 4 weeks, sure. That will be important, understanding that chords can move. All those are F sharp minor. Same thing for A major. And again, the trick is your practice. If you're doing 15 to 20 minutes of practice every day, your practice is in being able to hit the chord, getting your fingers to that shape of that chord. Off, off, and then hitting it again, maybe an A major. Eventually, after a few days understanding that the difference between the A and the F sharp minor is very minimal, these 2 notes stay the same, the C sharp and the A. What changes is the E to the F sharp minor to A. And then we're also playing the D. And the only thing that changes from the A to the D, again, these 2 notes stay the same. I'm switching between the E and the D. Sorry, the F sharp changes too. So something that you're aiming for is economy of movement. We're We're just worrying about our right hand. Da, 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 da. I have a section about accompanying musicians. You could do that too with your left hand. You could do... Right? You could introduce different things. But that's the most important thing. Understanding that the song is made up of chords, knowing how to build those chords, and switching between those chords. Now, you're saying, what do I do when it comes time to my solo? Let's do that now too. So let's listen to the solo again. So it's a mandolin solo with accordion. Let's listen. I would listen to the song over and over and over. I'm assuming you know the song, but I'd encourage you for 1 week to listen to it on loop. So ba 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 ba. That's what I'm singing back. That's what I'm hearing, and I bet you that the notes of that song are hidden in those chords. Not hidden, are very plain sight. We said an F sharp is F sharp, A, and C sharp. I bet you it's there. There it is, right? A, C sharp, A. Those are the notes both in the A major, and those are the notes in the F sharp minor. Right? So the solo da 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 da. Now, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when it comes time to solo? You're gonna play the notes from those chords. So again, we have 3 chords, F sharp minor, A major, and a D major. We've been playing so far the chords together. It's possible to play those chords separately. In my 15 minutes of exercise that you do every day, I encourage you to play broken and together triads. Together is this. Broken is this. And the reason we do triads that are broken is you could choose any 1 or 2 or 3 of those notes, and that's the solo, right? So A, C sharp, A. That's from our A major. Your fingers should be or will become familiar with those pathways from doing those triads and arpeggios. So I'm going to play along to this track, and I'm going to play my solo. And this is my encouraging you to play along to backing tracks. I'm going to play along. I'm going to play over the man's singing instead of the accordion solo, just to show you what it's like to improvise over those chords. Here's my solo. So, what do? You have a month, you have 4 weeks. For the first week, for the entire part, we're mixing physical skills with mental skills. The physical skills being, can you get your fingers on those pathways of the song? So you can actually have fun. So you're not sitting there reading sheet music. So you can actually look up with your dad and enjoy that time. It's 3 chords. It's switching between my F sharp minor, A major, D, and A. Those are the chords. 3 chords that you need to switch between. You need to understand those chords in your head. What are those common notes? And then again, physically, how do you switch between their voicings? It's this kind of exercise. Look at my video on 15 minutes of accordion practice. It literally is just sitting in front of the TV and doing this. So your fingers are really smooth at that. And then the rest of the time, once you understand that physicality and the mentality, you're working on your musicality, which is how do you make your accordion sound smooth? How do you introduce little trills, right? Little multi-fingered melodies. And how does that sound good? How do you play in tempo along with a backing track, right? So it's an entire ecosystem. You're learning a language, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to get you to speak a language, a really small part of it, just 3 sentences, 3 chords over the course of a short period of time. I'm happy to support you. We have a wonderful community here of other accordion players that have wonderful advice too. Yeah, my little pitch is I run a website, accordionlove.com, where you can learn about all these things, how to build chords, how to practice, as well as how to learn songs by ear as well. This video was supposed to be short, but I think we went a little bit over time. That's okay. I hope you found it useful. Let me know, message me, email me if you have any questions. Good luck. Bye-bye.